So what is agile? Agile means flexible, can be converted into the way we want, like a wet clay. So agile is all about flexibility. The thing which we are relating this software development here is related to change. For example, when you were young, say 10 years, what was your body shape? Or, when you became 20, you have mustaches and beard. So there is a change. In 30, 40, there will be change. So change is the only thing which never changes. So we talked about various SDLCs like the waterfall model. These are called prescriptive software development life cycles. So in this, we start with communication, then we plan, then model, then we construct, and finally we deploy. So these are the classical phases of the prescriptive SDLCs. But at that time, it was too good when they were proposed. But now the scenario has changed. The software making has changed. The user requirement has changed. So in 2001, Ken Beck and 16 other software developers, writers, consultants, these are all referred to as Agile Alliance. And they signed the manifesto for Agile software development. And here, this manifesto stated that we are trying to uncover, or we are trying to tell you the good ways to develop a software and help the software developers and the companies. And what will be the added values? Because we already had the trivial, traditional kind of data models or SDLCs. Here they were talking about individuals and interactions over processes and tools. That is, in the previous SDLCs, it was all about processes. But here we are talking about developer, we are talking about customer and their interactions. Individual people are more important here, right? Not the processes, the phases, and the tools being used. Second thing is, the documentation is too much in the traditional SDLCs. That is the requirement, specifications, and the design, then the models being made, then the test plans. Here they are talking about, in Agile, the working software. That is, give it to the users, they'll give the feedback. Then coming to customer collaboration. Previously it was contract negotiation. That is, we have to have customer on board every time, right? Not at the end, but whole processes, there has to be customer involved. Their feedback, their requirement, the talk, the conversation. Then the most important thing when I started this discussion is change. Whatever is there, the change is welcome. Responding to a change in a good way, in a welcoming way. Agile methods, they were developed because there were problems in conventional software engineering, like the prescriptive models, waterfall model, the spiral model, the iterative prototype. Okay, so agile development, this is just because it is providing some benefits. It is helping the software developers, the companies, but it's not always applicable everywhere. Please understand this. It cannot be applied everywhere. Today, because the computer science has whole industry, that is, it is playing a very important role in the economy. Mobile is there. People are wanting apps now, web apps now. So the market conditions are changing. User, they have their own requirement. See, so whatever you are making, you have to give it in quick successions. And there is no possibility that the requirements are known earlier. No one can define. Because the environment of business is changing. The environment of business is fluid. It is changing. On that basis, we have to change the software development process also. Because the requirement will change. We have to be ready for the requirement changing. And the cost of change. See, the agile introduction in the software industry has cut the cost. This is a book, Agile Software Development, and here is the gentleman called Alistair Cockburn. So in his book, he gave certain, very good thoughts. He said that the prescriptive process models, the models we talked about like the waterfall, spiral, the prototype, why they were failing. Most of the time they were not able to, overcome that problems of time and cost. The problem is they were not thinking about the people involved. People means those people, engineers who are making the software, who are involved. In a class, someone goes to big institutions like the IITs, some may leave school in between. That is, the skill level, the creativity, orderliness, consistency, spontaneity, everyone has a different, upbringing, thought, mind, IQ, etc. So he stated, because this consistency in action is a human weakness, no one can be equal. Everyone is different. So this very high discipline methodologies like the waterfall models and the spirals, they can break. They are fragile. Because we are not thinking about the people, because everyone is different. So we have to have, because if we want this process model to work, we will need to be very realistic. We need to encompass a kind of discipline which is necessary. A discipline which everyone, even someone wants to work, some doesn't, they can be a part of it. They can also follow. That is why we need the agile kind of software development. Alistair Cogburn and many others suggested this. What is agility? Agility is all about flexibility, means openness to change. Have you seen cat? A small pipe also, she can go. That is, she can move. But here we are talking about the change, the different changes, the different transition that are going to come while you are developing a software. So this is the agility we are talking about. Dr. Ivar Jacobson, he said, it's all about change. And what was the driving force behind agility is change. Software engineers, they need to be very quick and welcoming to welcome the rapid changes, because the changes are happening so fast. The industry has become, change oriented. And main thing is, because we were not talking, the software developer, software managers, they were just, because of some other reason, they were not talking that much. Because software development is all about talking. Even the stakeholders have to be, casually approached, talked, the conversation should be continuous. And you cannot wait, or the user cannot wait to put the product in place. You cannot start for communication and only till deployment. You have to give the operational software. It has to be very rapid, even if it is software app or website. That is, the basic operational software you have to deliver rapidly. Then only the feedback will come. Then only the work product can be, the importance can be emphasized by you and by the stakeholders. We always create an India and Pakistan, because software team and stakeholders, they are two different, countries which don't gel together. We have to eliminate it. The software developers, the software company and the stakeholders, they are one team. We have to eliminate this line between them. We have to take all of them on board while developing. Project plan which we make in the early stages, they need to be flexible, because the world is uncertain. The requirements are uncertain. The market is uncertain. Therefore, we need everything to be flexible. Agility can be applied to any software process, because software processes can be different. Agility can be applied, but not everywhere.